And to the National Assembly, where the Senate is to hold a national summit to address the high rate of out-of-school children across the country. This was the final resolution after an extensive debate on a report on the urgent need to tackle the challenge. TVC has more.
According to the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF, Nigeria currently has an estimated 18.3 million out-of-school children across the country. This alarming figure positions Nigeria as the country with the highest number of out-of-school children globally.
I move that the Senate...
Presenting his report at plenary, Chairman of the Senate's Committee on Education, Senator Usman Adamu, warns that this high number could become a potential threat to national security.
Addressing the issue of out-of-school children in Nigeria demands constant joint effort of government and at all levels, national and state, local government, traditional ruler, parent, development partners, civil society organizations and stakeholders in education.
Other senators made contributions to the report, describing the situation as a national embarrassment that should not be handled with kids' gloves. The lawmakers say this challenge must be addressed urgently and holistically.
The crisis facing our educational system is at the core of insecurity, is at the core of leadership failure, is at the core of a lot of issues affecting the development of this country.
It's a serious problem that if we leave it unattended to, it's a kind of time bomb. And once the bomb explodes, it's going to consume us, particularly the northern part of this country.
Unless we do proper oversight functions, it's not enough for us to charter plane to Sokoto to go and look at the road, the Badagry-Sokoto road. We should also be able to charter plane to go and look at a primary school in Nyanya or anywhere, but we are not doing that. So it's everybody's fault. The federal government may be doing enough, but if the idea of counterpart funding has become a problem, that those monies are lying waste for over 10 to 15 years, then we may have to think of whether to remove the idea of counterpart funding so that states can access those funds for the sake of our future.
The lawmakers resolved to convene a national summit to discuss effective strategies to tackle the crisis of out-of-school children in Nigeria. Although the Senate is yet to pick a date, it will convene the national summit to find sustainable solutions to the challenges of out-of-school children. It agrees this is a national emergency and will require all hands on deck. TVC News, Abuja.